Hi traders, this is Cynthia of Day Trade Forex, and in this short little video I'm going to show you how you can apply the currency strength meter to any other trading charting that you may have that you may like to use, and that includes my simple neon breakout or any of my other color-coded trading systems or any other trading system that you have that you really like. And even though my currency strength meter template is a standalone template, the currency strength meter can actually be added to any trading system charting that you like to use, maybe in addition to my currency strength meter template or in replacement of it. So it's up to you, but I just wanted to show you how you can take the currency strength meter indicator and place it on any chart of any trading system, and I'm just using my simple neon breakout as an example. When you use the one-click auto installer program, it places all of the files into the correct folders, so your indicators will all go into your MT4 indicator folder, and then when you refresh your MT4 platform, you'll find all of the indicators under Navigator Indicator. So if you scroll down, you'll find my special indicators, starting with my name, and look for the currency strength meter. Here it is right here. Okay, so what you do is you just left mouse click on it and drag it over to your chart, and then it's going to have the pop-up window, but you don't really need to do anything because all of the settings are totally default. So just click OK, and it's going to load it here on your chart. The way I use the currency strength meter is to pair up a very strong currency with a very weak currency. And so you can see the US dollar is extremely strong today at a red 7.7, and the Aussie and the New Zealand dollar are very weak. So here I have it on a Euro odd, which is one of my favorite pairs to trade, and you can see it has nice explosions sometimes. After a small range, it'll explode. So we're looking at a 1 hour chart, and right now these values for the currency strength meter are current for this very last candle. So you can see the special MACD is going down and it's red, so that means momentum is falling off, and you can't really see the candle here. It's hidden behind the blue dot, but it's been on such a big uptrend, but now the euro has become very weak, but the Aussie dollar is even weaker. So the euro is twice as strong as the Aussie, so that's why the euro-Aussie pair has been going up. And it's not going up too much right now because euro at 3.3 yellow is still pretty weak, but the Aussie is about as weak as it gets. The New Zealand dollar blue 0.0 is as weak as anything can get. The US dollar is almost as strong as anything can get. The strongest would be red 9.0. So this is extremely strong. This is extremely weak, and the Aussie is extremely weak. So the euro is stronger. So that's why the euro Aussie has been going up. So we've dragged the currency strength meter onto the chart, and we have the color coding here that is also numericals. In my training videos, I do teach more in depth how to use the currency strength meter, but I just wanted to show you how to drag it onto a chart and just click OK. The colors will load, and now you can study the currency strength meter and see if there's something you want to take a look at. The JPY, this is the 1 hour JPY, the JP is weak. 4.5 yellow is weak, but the yen is at 4.8, so they're almost the same. So that means on this candle here, the pair is flat. It's not going up, it's not going down. But let's take a look at, just for fun, AUD USD. Now the AUD is very, very weak at blue 1.5, and the US dollar is very, very strong. So for a long time, for several hours now, the AUD USD has been selling off because we sell the weak currency and buy the strong currency. So this particular pair has been going down, down, down. So that's just a short, quick video to show you how to add the currency strength meter indicator to any trading system template that you like to use. And this is just an example using my own Simple Neon Breakout. If you have any questions, go ahead and send me an email, and I hope that you enjoy the currency strength meter if you decide to purchase it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in another video.